Hopefully we don't end up looking like a raccoon. Well, hello world. It's Call Me Dahlia, and thank you for tuning in for another video of mine. So for today's video, I wanted to use the Juvia's Place Saharan palette. It's going to be a very dramatic look. I'm going to be working with black, and black is kind of tricky because we've all seen the memes. Literally, if you put too much, you're just going to have black eyes like a raccoon. And it can turn into a hot mess really quick. So if you want to see how I create that look, then keep on watching. Roll the clip. Okay. Alright guys, so I'm back. My eyebrows are done, even though I think they were done during the intro. But anyways, they're done. And all I did was just grab some Tarte Shape Tape and I cleaned up underneath my brows and I used it as primer. And then I set it with Makeup Revolution's Banana Powder. Now I'm going to take my Juvia's Place Saharan palette and I'm going to take the shade Chad. It's this black shade right here. And I'm going to apply this just below my crease. So when I blend it out, it's going to create its own transition shade. Instead of putting it in my crease, and then if I blend it, it's just going to go really high up into my eyebrow. And that's just not the look that I'm trying to achieve today. No, not today. Okay, so I'm going to grab my Sigma E40 blending brush and I'm going to blend out the black. And black is one of those shades that you want to apply a little bit at a time, so that it doesn't get messy really quick. Because you can always add, but you can't really take away, subtract. I don't know. You know what I mean? Next, I'm going to grab this NYX Single Shadow in S.O.S. and I'm just going to help blend the black a little bit more. It's like this gray kind of color. Okay guys, so for the next step, I'm going to take Tarte Shape Tape and a flat concealer brush and I'm just going to cut the crease. Okay, so I'm going to go back into the Saharan palette and I'm going to grab Wodaabe, right? Yeah, Wodaabe. It's this gold shade right here and I'm going to pack this onto the inner part of my lid. Okay, so I just finished packing on Wodaabe onto my lid. Now I'm going to grab the shade Kia. It's like this greenish, bluish kind of color. It's very stunning, but I'm going to pack that right there, right in between the black and the gold, just to kind of like mesh it together. I'm going to pack on a little bit more of that Chad on that inner corner, on the outer corner, just so that it's really black. Okay, now I'm going to grab some Chad and I'm going to kind of put this along where I cut the crease just to kind of define it a little bit more. Alright guys, that is one eye done. I'm going to do my other eye off of camera and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. I applied Kiss Lashes in the style corset, and I did my base, and now I'm going to take highlighter. I'm going to take Wet n Wild's Precious Petals, and I'm going to highlight my whole face. Okay, so now I'm going to go back to my eyes. I'm going to take a flat definer brush. I'm going to take a Sigma E15 and I'm going to go back in with Chad. I'm going to put this on my waterline and I'm going to apply this closest to my lash line. Okay, now I'm going to go back in with this NYX single eyeshadow in shade S.O.S. It's that gray color, and I'm going to take a Sigma Wrong. I'm going to take an Morphe E18, and I'm going to buff out that black shade. Just a little bit, because I don't want to buff it out with black, because then I feel like we'll get like raccoon eyes or like a black eye. Just want to minimize that usage of the black so you're not looking crazy. Okay, next I'm going to grab a black eyeliner pencil and I'm going to run this into my tight line, and I'm going to apply mascara to my bottom lashes. I'm not going to show you just because I think it's kind of redundant, so I'm just going to do that off of camera and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so we're finally to our lips. I'm going to take Colourpop's collaboration with Kathleen Light's Dreamy. It's the Ultra Satin Lip, and hopefully it's not too pink. I was going to go with the Smashbox, the one I got my BoxyCharm, the Stay Neutral. I'm tempted to put this one on. I really am, just because I do nude all the time, but I'm hoping this color will work out. So let's see. No. What happens if I mix a little bit? Okay, so I'm kind of liking this little concoction. And I'm just going to add a clear lip gloss on top just because I want a glossy lip. Alright, yes. I'm liking this. I'm just gonna put some... I think I'm running out of this eyebrow gel. Let me spray some setting spray. Alright guys, this completes the look. I hope you enjoyed the video. Since you made it this far, you might as well hit the subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you get notified each and every time that I upload a new video. Don't forget to like and comment. Share this video with everyone and anyone. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys. So for today's video, well, let's see. well, 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 well,